Attention Silver City residents, this is Silvacity Dude with another video. This time I'm going to be unboxing just a little bit over 2 ounces of gold, so stay tuned. Before I get into the gold, I want to talk a little bit about a few silver deals that I ran across. This 2020 Silver Eagle, I received this from Littleton Coin Company for $19.95, I believe. And I had mentioned this in a video. And so as you all know, these are going for around $35 and $40 now. So for those of you all who took advantage of this deal, awesome. For those of you all who didn't, you're probably mad right now. There's another deal with this from Littleton Coin Company that I've not opened yet, and we're gonna go ahead and do this now. I had 3 walking liberties for I believe they were about $7 a piece. And so I received these from Littleton Coin Company as well. And again, they gave me this for free. I'm really not into copper. I'm really not into these pennies, but that's what I got for free. Opening this up from the Littleton Coin Company. 1 ounce gold American Eagle. So let me go ahead and put this to the side for right now so I can examine the other contents and see what they provided. One thing that I want to talk about in terms of this, because what I received from Bold Precious Metals is just fractional gold. And some people are against fractional gold because they say they have such high premiums, and because of the high premiums, it's better off to save. And if you've listened to Robert Kiyosaki, he'll tell you that saving is for suckers. And so, especially people who don't earn a lot of income, it's a lot harder to save money because there are usually pressures to end up using your money on something else that is going to eventually take away from your bullion. So I would suggest for those of you all who are just starting to get into gold, start off getting some fractional pieces of gold. Again, I know that people talk about the high premiums, but from my perspective, I believe in measuring my wealth in ounces instead of measuring my wealth in dollars. And so if you do that, then you're not gonna concern yourself too much with how much you actually bought your metals for. So let's say, for example, you go ahead and get you some gold right now for about $1,900, and it goes back down to $1,000 10 years from now, right? Well, 10 years from now, the same dollars that you would have are going to be going down in value anyway. So from that perspective, the gold that you have today is still going to be worth more than the dollars you would have today 10 years from now. So let me go ahead and open this up and show you all one piece of fractional gold. This right here, you're definitely going to need to get a close-up of this. So this is 1/100th of an ounce of gold. And for those of you all who have bad math skills, you need 100 of these to end up getting 1 ounce of gold. And so I ended up paying about $28 for this. You can go ahead and just round it up to 30 just to make the math easy. And then you would easily see this would be $3,000 if you continue to pay with this. But again, as I mentioned, if you are not a person who's likely to be able to save $2,000 to get you a whole ounce, then go ahead and stack these little pieces of gold, because again, it's better to have some gold than no gold. This next piece of gold that I have is Oh, and I forgot to mention, oh, this is, I want to say from Turkey. And this is 1 gram of gold. This is 1 gram of gold. And so you can see on the back. So let me go ahead and put that to the side. So let me go ahead and open this package up and show you all what I received from Monument Metals. This is what I received. And I was really excited about this. And again, I ended up buying this at around $2,100. And so again, there are some people would argue that, well, if the price of gold goes down, then you would have lost money. And I will argue again that I'm not, because I'm saving this for the long term, for long-term wealth preservation. So to me, I'm actually coming out on top with something like this. So I'm really excited. In fact, I want to go ahead and give a special shout out to my man, the Stacking Stormtrooper. Me and him, we had a little chat about these, and so I'm really excited to be among the Stacking Stormtrooper elite. So let me go ahead and put this to the side and show you all what it was I received from Littleton Coin Company, which was this 1 ounce American Gold Eagle. And so for me, I'm really excited to have this golden haul, to get a gold buffalo, a American Gold Eagle. I have this fractional 1 gram and this 1/100th of an ounce of gold. So right now, some people are hesitant about getting gold because of the high premiums. I will say, if you have enough money to get an ounce, then do it. But if you don't, get the amount that you can afford, because again, when you are looking for long-term wealth preservation, you need to consider stacking your wealth in terms of ounces and not dollars. So hopefully I've provided you all some valuable information. If I did, please make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Silvacity Dude out.